Physics, mechanical properties of liquids. Under that, buoyancy, the tendency of liquid to exert an upward force on an object immersed in it, is called buoyancy. The pressure exerted by liquid increases with the depth and it's in all directions. Acts in all directions. So an object seems lighter when immersed in liquid. This reduced weight of object in liquid is called apparent weight of the object. It means whenever an object is immersed in liquids, that weight seems to be losing some weight. Original weight won't be in that because of this buoyant force. Why it is, we'll see. Buoyant force or upthrust. Buoyant force is an upward force which acts in an object when it is immersed in a liquid. It is called upthrust. It is the buoyant force due to which heavy object seems to be lighter in water. That is example, a piece of cork is held below the surface of water. Means a cork is placed in it. Little bit of the cork is lighter, but a little bit only goes in the water below the water level, and the rest will be on the top. The magnitude of buoyant force depends upon the following cases. So density of the fluid and volume of the object immersed in it. How the density affects? The liquid having higher density exerts more upward buoyant force on an object than that exerted by the another liquid of lower density. Means density is more, buoyant force is more. That liquid where you are placing the object. So volume of the object immersed in the liquid. So the magnitude of buoyant force acting on a solid object doesn't depend upon the nature of the solid object. It depends only on its volume. What type of material you are putting, or wood or metal or something, it is not depending on that, but it's a volume. How much volume you are inserting in the liquid. So the buoyant force depends on the volume of the object. Okay. So it depends only on its volume, not on the nature of the material. So center of buoyancy. The center of gravity of liquid displaced by a body is called center of buoyancy. Then Archimedes principle. When a body is fully or partially dipped into a fluid, the force of buoyancy acting on the body will be equal to the weight of displaced fluid by it. Suppose a vessel is fully filled with liquids up to the brim, then you place one object on that, then some of the liquids will be flown from the container to drop from the container. We would collect that liquid and weigh it. So that weight equal to the loss of the object we placed in it. So the buoyant force or upthrust acting on the object is equal to weight of the liquid displaced by the object. So that weight, whatever liquid is spilled out, that weight of the liquid equal to the upward thrust on the object, on that particular object, not the total. So it is used in designing ships and submarines. What is uses of buoyancy is, it is used in designing ships and submarines, and in lactometer it is used to determine the purity of the milk.